Hi everyone, Nisi Harmon here of Whatsshecreating Enterprises, and today I will be showing you how to effectively use a seam ripper. So I have my trusty seam ripper here that I got from a basic fabric store, and you see that the seam ripper has a very sharp edge here, and then it has like a pin type edge here. The whole purpose of a seam ripper is to take out stitching. So I have this one here, which is a basic one, and then I have this great deluxe one that someone gave me, this sharp edge here. So, but the only thing is this one is retractable, so you can hide it so that it won't accidentally cut anybody. So either way, I have a stitch here that I did recently, and as you can see, the bobbin tension was kind of messed up, so now I have to take the seam out. So what I do is I take my seam ripper in whatever hand that I am. So I'm left-handed, so I'm gonna put in my left hand, and what I'm going to do is I'll start here, and I'm just going to rip. You can do it as such and take it out, or you can cut the stitch and pull it out. Sometimes I do that, so I may skip maybe 4 stitches, take it out, and then just keep pulling and pulling and pulling. You can use this one also. It'll do pretty much the same thing. Because I do not like doing this. All right, so you want to make sure that when you take your stitches out, you make sure you take them out on both sides of the fabric. And that is how you use a seam ripper. So thank you for watching our tutorial. Subscribe to our page, leave us some comments, like our videos, and happy sewing.